Hey, JP and Bell here. This is a music video we made about 16 years ago. It was our entire flight history in about 90 seconds. A few flashes from our first 100 missions. This fall, we're going to do our 200th flight. So I thought we'd take a look back at the first 100. The music is by Space Vacuum, a local alternative rock band. They even wrote the song specifically for us. It's lots of fun, and the whole video really shows off the huge variety of parts and pieces of this project we call JP Aerospace. Enjoy.